we shall be seeing about the standard Fourier transform. For it, first we'll write the formula. It is f of t's Fourier transform is f of omega, where f of omega is written as integration from minus infinity to plus infinity, the function f of t e power minus j omega t dt. Now I want to find the some standard functions. Let me write the question. Find the Fourier transform of e power minus at u of t. Okay. Now when we are saying u of t is a step function wherein I write the function u of t as u of t is defined as equal to 1 over a range of 0 to infinity. So we write as u of t is equal to 1 for t greater than 0. Right. Now uh, what is in the question, what is the function given? My function given is f of t is equal to e power minus at u of t. The formula of this is how to start it. Your f of omega is equal to integration from minus infinity to plus infinity, function f of t e power minus j omega t dt. Now in place of f of t, what I am writing? I am writing my function. So what is my function? E power minus at. Now in place of ut, the ut will be substituted with respect to the limits. So the limits changes as 0 to infinity. And what is the formula? E power minus j omega t dt. Now you have both the functions as e. So how do we write it? I can take this as common. So integration 0 to infinity. E I have taken common. I have taken minus common. So I'll be getting as a plus j omega, and t also I have taken common, dt. Okay. Now if I take integration of this e power, the integration of any function e power minus x is e power minus x by 1. So I can write this as e power minus a plus j omega into t by minus a plus j omega. Now I have over the limits what? 0 to t, 0 to infinity. Now the next thing it will be, I'll be substituting the upper limit. If I just take this term 1 by minus a plus j omega outside, I am taking 1 by minus a plus j omega outside. So this is e power minus a plus j omega t. Okay, over the limit 0 to infinity. I am substituting the upper limit, so I'll be getting as 1 by 1 minus a plus j omega. In place of t I have to substitute infinity, so this will become e power infinity. Next is in place of t I am substituting 0, so this is e power minus a plus j omega 0. So anyway this is undefined, so this is 1 by minus a plus j omega minus e power minus a plus j omega into 0 is anyway 0, so e power 0. So e power 0 is what? We know that e power 0 is equal to 1. So this minus and this minus will become as plus, so I can write this as 1 by a plus j omega. So my standard function is the Fourier transform of f of t of e power j omega t is nothing but 1 by a plus j omega. I'm just writing it over here. So e power minus at u of t is nothing but 1 by a plus j omega. This is my first function.